Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Synovus Bank, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what a budget is and why it's important. A budget is a financial plan that helps you allocate your money effectively. It allows you to track your income and expenses, ensuring you can manage your finances wisely. Start by gathering your financial information. Collect your pay stubs, bank statements, and any other financial documents. Next, determine your total monthly income. Include all sources of income, such as salaries, bonuses, and any side hustles. Once you have your income figured out, list your monthly expenses. Divide your expenses into fixed and variable categories. Fixed expenses include rent, utilities, and loan payments. Variable expenses include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Total your expenses for the month. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you an idea of your financial standing. If you have a surplus, consider allocating funds for savings or investment. If you have a deficit, look at areas where you can cut expenses. Next, create a spending plan with your remaining budget. Use budgeting tools or apps for a more organized approach. Synovus Bank offers resources that can help streamline your budgeting process. Explore their online tools to categorize your spending easily. Set realistic financial goals. Determine short-term and long-term goals based on your budget. Regularly review and adjust your budget as necessary. Life changes, and so should your budgeting approach. Monitor your progress toward your financial goals. Check in with your budget weekly or monthly. Stay disciplined and make adjustments whenever needed. Consider automating your savings to make sticking to your budget easier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.